Hello guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Creative Nurse RN. For today's video guys, nata diri karon sa going to Davao City, and if you can see the view is very beautiful. So padulong ni siya guys sa Davao from General Santos City. Ang area diri guys sa road is 6 lane. So maganda ang area, maganda ang place, at saka maganda ang view guys. So far guys, hindi pa siya maraming mga sasakyan ang dumadaan masyado because kahit na ang dalan guys is so wide. So as you can see, a typical provincial life. As you can see, maganda ang place, hindi siya crowded like in other places, tsaka maganda ang lugar. So far guys, we're traveling from General Santos City going to Davao, at it will take like 3 hours travel kung magpahinga ka ng konti. But if you can, 2.5 hours is okay na siya. Then guys, makita nyo rin yung mga bundok na maliliit tsaka maliliit na mga mountain if you pass by sa ibang lugar dito sa Davao City going to Jensan or Jensan to Davao City. So guys, if you are traveling here, walang problema sa daan. The people are very friendly. The people are also guys, maabi-abihon kung sa Bisaya o sa Ilonggo pa guys. So far guys, konti lang din ang bus na guys na pumapasok or nagta-travel in going to Jensan or in going to Davao City. So far we are already fast driving like 100 kilometers per hour, but then as you can see, wala ka pang nakitang mga ibang sasakyan because hindi pa masyadong madaming dumadaan talaga dito. And even though maraming dumadaan, the road is very wide, so you can travel nicely and safely, and you can see the guys, ang climate is very nice, at saka maaliwalas ang daan, at saka the temperature and the view is so nice. Wala kang makitang hindi maganda. Then guys, so far this place is with may mga maraming bahay, as you can see on the street, and meron din nagta-travel by motorcycle, I mean. So the people's life here is so simple. So that's all for today guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe and watch me for more updates about the video and the places. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.